people are going to learn prompt engineering, they will have massive advantage over people who do not know this skill. Prompting is not a trick, it is a communication skill. Still using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini as if they are Google search. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is very important. It is very important for the future in data analytics and the future of AI. Today we're going to be talking about AI prompting. You are using AI, I'm using AI, your manager is using AI. Almost everyone in today's world, in the world of tech, is using AI. But have you ever noticed that few people have really great responses versus some of us struggle to get really good responses out of AI? No matter which LLM you're using ChatGPT, you're using Claude, and that's where AI prompting is very important. In this video, I'm going to help you out with your AI prompting. I use this approach. It helped me a lot. Let's go and deep dive into it and improve your AI prompting. Prompt engineering is going to be really important skill in coming times if it is not already. So there's no better time than today to learn about it. So let's jump into the video. So why do most of the people fail when it comes to using AI? I mean, they do not get the responses that they want, or they do not get the great responses. The biggest reason is most of us are still using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini as if they are Google search. We type in a question and we just take the response as it's the best response out there. For example, your prompts to ChatGPT are really vague, lack of context in there, and they're short. Like, build me a resume. What is a good resume? This is very vague, there is no context, and it's really short. AI doesn't have the ability to understand what's going in your mind, and the response is really bad. This is similar to walking into the hospital and asking them, fix me, without really telling them what the problem you're dealing with, what are the symptoms. AI doesn't know what is your skill set, it doesn't know what is your experience, it doesn't know how much you have studied in college, it doesn't know what your goal is. So without all these context, your prompt is really weak, and the result AI is gonna produce is not gonna be effective, and it's not going to be useful at all. Use 4-part prompt framework. This worked really well for me, and I'm gonna teach it to you as well. First part is role. Instead of telling AI improve my resume, which is a bad prompt, tell AI act as a cloud engineer who is trying to hire people. Now AI has a little bit more context. Second part is context. Tell AI how much experience you have. If you're building your resume, tell what is your skill set, tell what is your past experience, tell the companies that you have worked on, tell the education level you have. Now AI have more and more understanding about you as a person. Third is task. Be painfully specific. Bad AI prompt is help me grow my career. Better approach is suggest me 3 career paths which can help me grow my salary in next 2 years. And fourth, tell AI specifically how it should present your answer to you. It is basically you are the stakeholder. You want everything well structured. Tell AI that you can ask things like give me the response in bullet points, give me the response in tables, give me the response in structured paragraph, or whichever way works best for you. So now let's jump into real life example. Since most of us are data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist here, so let's take example of SQL optimization. A bad prompt is optimize the SQL query. A really good prompt is act as a senior database engineer, optimize the SQL query for performance on large dataset, and explain what was slow and how you improved it. This prompt is going to give you the query which will not only be efficient, but now you will also know what was wrong with your initial query versus what AI has changed in it. There is an advanced trick that I used a lot when I started using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is the most common one, so I started with that as well. Do not just stop on the very first answer LLM is going to give it to you. Ask questions back to it. For example, make it more concise. I do not like this answer. How can you make it more effective? How can you make it more technical? Give me more detailed analysis of your answer. All these kind of follow-up questions gonna get your answers better and better, and you can get really good answers out of any LLM that you're using. Another trick that I really use a lot is I add limits to AI prompting. I ask AI, explain it to me like I'm a 12-year-old kid, why you're taking that approach. I act like I don't know anything and explain it to me in the simplest language that you can. And I also force AI to keep the answers really short. If I'm in a hurry, this will help me a lot, and it can get me the summary or whatever I'm trying to do in that moment and get the best answer possible. The real trick is to treat it like a real conversation. You cannot just go and ask a person about random thing. You have to provide context. You have to provide what you're looking for. You have to tell the person specific of the questions. You cannot just ask a person a random question. So what's the future of prompt engineering? AI won't replace really skilled workers, but professionals who are using AI effectively are definitely going to replace the one who are not using it. Prompting is not a trick, it is a communication skills, and it is exactly like how I mentioned in my previous video. Communication is one of the most important skill a data analyst or any professional in the world of tech needs to have. And people are going to learn prompt engineering, they will have massive advantage over people who do not know this skill. And I've also put detailed prompts in the description section of the video. Feel free to use it, copy it, and they will really improve your answers from any LLM. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.